Yeah, she's doing some work in her house. She's been doing that for a couple of weeks now, and she does most of
Oh,
the
I
work
see.
on weekends. Yeah, so yeah, it would be good to have her with us. Yeah. Okay.
That's fine. That's fine. Yeah. So, I saw your message yesterday
Mm-hmm.
about this one, and it was your question is it was very interesting. When I saw your question. Okay. So
Okay.
I see you try to you try
Recreate.
to understand why I
Yeah.
put my zone here, right? Why I don't put my zone here, right?
Exactly. Exactly. I see there's a little bit of
Why I don't put my
disparity.
zone here?
I see there's a bit of disparity
You see
between.
why?
Can you hear me? I said there's a bit of
Yes, I can
disparity
hear you. Go ahead.
between GU, the structure for GU and EU. Like this
Uh-huh.
inducement is not. It's not. It's a little different on EU, so it was kind of confusing. That why are we not buying from this
I
level?
see.
Yeah. Why do we want to go lower?
Why you don't buy it on this level? Okay.
Yes.
This is very interesting. Okay. But before we do that, okay, we'll go to the weekly because yesterday when you send your chat, right? It
Yeah.
was you, right?
It was me. Yeah.
When you send your chat, yes. So on the weekly, the way you know you you mark your weekly zone. I don't know if you mark your weekly zone there,
I
right?
just looked at
Let
the
me see.
structure of the weekly.
You just look at structure, right?
Yeah, on the
But
weekly.
if you
Yes.
can see, yeah, if you can see here on the weekly, so on the weekly, I see weekly here bearish, right? But the picture you sent to me look like bullish.
For the weekly, let me see.
Yes. So
Let me see.
let me share my screen. Maybe let me share it so we
Yeah.
can together see.
Yeah. I
Um
I still have the picture here.
if somebody look on the picture, nobody will tell you this one is bearish. As soon as I saw the picture, I was confused because I see bullish here, I don't see bearish. Right?
Yeah, this is not the picture I sent.
Oh, this is not the picture you sent.
No, this is yours. I believe this one is yours. I mean, what we're
No,
looking
no,
at
no.
right now is your screen.
Okay, okay. Let me share. I will share and
Okay.
let me share my screen. Stop sharing this. I will share. Okay, let me share the entire screen. Entire screen. Okay. You see this one, right? Let
Uh,
me
yeah,
let
I'm
me
looking
add
at
it.
it.
You see this one?
Yes. Yeah, that's the
This
first one.
is UI. My analysis for
Yeah.
GBPUSD.
So it's not
Replicate.
my. Yeah, I'm trying to replicate what you did. It's not like my
Okay.
personal one. Yeah.
Okay. Now look. I saw here. Look, I saw weekly is bearish, and you send the picture
Yeah.
on top. This is
Yes.
the picture you send, right?
Yes.
But if you look at the picture, what do you think? This is not bearish. This is bullish, actually.
I was thinking this. This red can. Yeah. 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 No. No. Before you get to that level, just a little bit backward. No. No. No.
Uh
That's too
huh.
much. No. 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 Go forward.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, a little bit forward. Just that where there's a swing low. Yeah, right there. No, no, before that. Like I was thinking, like this is like a failure. Okay. I see what you're talking about now. It didn't
Uh
break
huh.
before coming
You
down.
see,
So it's bullish. It's bullish. It looks bullish.
it look bullish. So when I saw this, I said, on the weekly, we already have an issue. If he saw this one bullish and I saw this one in bearish, okay. So and you send me here on the daily is bullish, and when I look at this on the daily, it doesn't look at the bearish and bullish for me. You look at the bearish for me on the bullish on the daily side.
Boom.
Now
Okay.
let's let's go a little bit back forward. You try to understand. We will try to understand something here. Okay. If the price going like this, what you said is bullish or is bearish?
It's bullish.
It's bullish. Now tell me
Yes.
why is bullish here? Why?
Because that first swing low has not been broken down. Has not been broke. Has not been traded through.
You you got it. So if you put this one here, this is what? This is the swim high, right?
Yes.
And this is swim low, right?
Yes.
So if the market does mean oh every this thing happened inside this, they try to create liquidity. They
Okay.
try to see if they can find you and me inside this one and push it
Mm,
up. So they can stay here for 2 days between this one and this one. They can stay here for 2 days. They can stay here for a month
mm.
because they're the one decide. We don't decide.
Yeah.
So they can stay here for. They can come here, bounce here, come back here. They can do that for over and over. They can do that. They can come here, do that, come here, do that, come here, do that, and come back. They can stay here forever. But if you don't understand, we still on bullish, you'll be confused.
Yeah.
You don't understand?
Yeah. It's making sense. Yeah.
Okay. It makes sense, right?
Yes.
Okay. But if it's somebody come here, right? What you did, you use only this one and say it's bearish. That's what you did. Here, let me show you again.
Yeah.
That's what you did here. You use um you use only this part. Actually you use only this part,
Yeah.
right? That's why you use, right? That's why you said it's bearish. So you didn't care about all these things here. You didn't care about it. You care only about this part. You cannot do that.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have to see the overall to see if the market is bullish and bearish. So
Okay.
do you understand? I don't want to use only this part because if I use only this part, I was thinking the market is bearish.
Mm.
But on the reality, the market is bullish, is not bearish.
Yeah.
I don't know if you got me.
Yeah. I agree. Yeah.
Did, did you got me? So all
Yes, I do.
this charabia, they can stay here for, they can stay here for years. If the market didn't break this last high low,
Yeah.
we don't have a shift of structure.
True. Okay.
You got me, right?
Yes, I do.
So this is something you have to understand. So let me delete all these things. We got this one, right?
Yes, I do. I do.
Okay. Now let's go to the here. Look, this is what? This is a weekly, right? This is a
Weekly.
weekly, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if if you do if you do the weekly like this, you would think the market is what? Is bullish.
Yes.
But the reality, the market is not bullish. The overall market is bearish. Because when you do that, look what happened. What did you see?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the overall market is bearish. Yes,
The market is bearish. So why not
because
the bracket is playing between the swim high and the swim low?
okay,
Because you see all this if you draw the market, how you draw the market? You draw the market like this.
yeah,
That's how you draw the market, right?
yes, yes, yes,
You don't understand? So on the weekly, the market is bearish. So sometimes it's a very bit confused. So what you have to do, you can mark to your swim high and swim low on the weekly to understand where the market is going. So I understand here on the weekly, the market is going up to do what? Maybe to break this one, to change on the weekly. Because if the market come here and break this one, right? That's mean on the weekly, the market shift on the weekly. But before the market shift this one, it can take maybe 1 month because we're on the weekly.
yeah, even more than that. Okay,
You don't understand a little bit. It can
yeah,
take more than that because remember, they can do whatever they want. We don't control the market.
yeah,
What we're looking for is to take a little bit portion on this, on this move. So
yeah,
now I understood the market is bearish and the between, right? So I'm understanding. I already know what's going on the daily. I know the daily trending up because I can see inside this one, you know, the Charabia you can see over there, the market is doing high low, high, 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 low, all these things. I see already on the daily what the market is doing. I know the
yeah.
market on the daily try to go on. What do you think the market on the daily try to go?
That's buy side liquidity.
No, what do you think the market like on the daily? If you see this one, what do you think the market is going right now?
It's trying to get to that swing guy, the buy side liquidity.
It going to the swim. You
Yes,
got it. Then we got it. It tried to go to the swim what? To the swim high,
right.
right?
Yes,
So this is something you can leave. So at that point, what do? You use your Jesus. Okay. You put your euro like here, right? That's why I
okay,
did this. The market is bearish on the weekly side because I know the between um swim high and swim low.
okay,
Now I know what they try to do. They try to reach the swim high.
yeah.
So let's go now to the daily to see
Thank you
what's
very
going
much.
over there.
It's making sense now. Okay.
Now when I go to the daily, what do you see?
Yeah, it looks bullish.
You see the daily is going up, right?
Yes,
Are you agree with me?
yes, it is.
So the weekly is bearish, but the daily is bullish.
Yeah,
So this is very interesting. So I want to find my what? My swim high and my swim low on the daily too. But you see, I didn't touch the swim what on the weekly. So I know
yes.
where I am and what's going on already. So they try to reach this one. That's why they're doing all this stuff. Okay. Now, you know what I did? Let me remove this one. This is very interesting. Let me remove this one. Look now what happened. On the daily, you see, I put my what?
break of structure.
My break of what? And break of what? Structure here. So
Yeah.
I know the daily is pushing very hard. So that's mean on the daily side, the buyer are pushing very, very, very high. And what they want to do? They want to wish this one.
Yes.
Okay. So what I did, swim high, swim low on the daily. So I know now on the daily we in bullish right now,
Yes.
right? And I
Yeah.
know on the weekly we try to go where? On the weekly high. So on the
Swing high.
daily, swim high. So it makes sense on the daily is bullish to go to the swim high.
Yes.
So I can see all this one is inside the structure. We talk about um external,
An
internal,
internal
right?
range. Yeah.
Yes. So all this one you see is the internal. Because if I want to draw, how I will draw this? I will do this. That's what I will do.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
And sometimes I have to do that. Sometimes I have to do that to understand too. Okay.
Okay.
So okay, this is make sense. I have to what? I know the market on the weekly going another way, and the daily you try to wish the swim high. So you see this
Swing high.
arrow, right? It's still there. So it remind me these people are still on the bearish on the what? On the
Yeah,
weekly.
very
On
strange.
the daily,
Overall.
yes,
Yeah.
you got it. But look, what happened here? You can if you see here, you would think, oh, on the daily, what they did, they changed structure on the daily. If you see this one, you would think this one is a change of structure on the daily. This one is not a change of structure because the change of structure have to be what? Have to be here
Yes.
to the bearish. You got it, man. On the daily,
Yes.
you got
Yes.
me.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Now, look, I know the weekly try to what? To reach what? To reach the the what? The weekly. This is the what? This is the daily. So what they try to do? They try to trick people, you know. Oh, she's here. The guy why these people try to do, right? So let me see what they try to do. So I see all these things. So from my understanding, right? That's why I put the daily. If you see here, this is the daily what?
Demand.
What do you think? I put this one here on the daily. What do you think? I put this
Oh,
demand zone on the daily.
I
What do you think?
well, from what I saw you do before, it looks like because it's around the 50% of the range. Is that the reason?
Why? Because I put the Fibonacci, right?
I saw the line. Yeah,
You saw the
so I saw.
Fibonacci before, right?
Yeah. So it's not helping me. It's not helping me think further. I'm like, okay, maybe that's why.
So if I put my Fibonacci, right, like this, and I put it here, you see, in line directly close to what?
Yeah.
Close to look that. Close to the fair value gap of what? Of the daily.
Yeah.
This is something I want to put in my mind too, right? Because if you see here, these people press the button very hard here.
Yeah, of course.
The press the button hits here very hard. So this is the demand for me on the daily side. So I don't wanna, it's not because I have to go on the 4 hour to draw, the line, but I have to understand too on the daily. Because look, on the weekly, we on what? We on bearish. On the daily, we on what? On bullish. So this is something is like it become a difficult. That's mean they don't go in the same direction. So I have to find, I have to do more work to find actually what's going on, what makes sense for me to take a trade. So this is a lot of work. If the market on the weekly was going bullish and the daily was going bullish, and I don't have much to do.
Okay.
So now on the daily, when I put my Fibonacci, I can see we on 15 minutes, and in the 15 minutes, I can see what they try to do. On the daily, the price is what. So my understanding, I understand the price on the daily side can come here and shoot to here and bounce like this. This is something I already understand. And bounce like
Okay.
this. Do you agree with me?
Yes, you can.
Do you agree with me, right?
Yes,
This is on the
you
daily
can.
side. Why? Because we go into the swim, because we go to the swim high
Daily swing
on
line.
the weekly. So
Yes,
the
on the week.
market can do that on the daily. You got it, right? The market can do that. It can come in, you know. That's why you can see on the daily, I put this one and I put this one like a break of structure. Just to tell me on the daily, the market can come here. Use this one like a liquidity on the daily side. Came here and shoot. But on the daily, who wanna take trade on the daily? Nobody wanna take trade on the daily. Who wanna take trade on the daily? If you place your entry on the daily, that's mean you're looking
You
for
have
the
to take.
month, right? Looking for the month, you know,
Yeah.
all
Mm-hmm.
these things. So nobody wanna take that. You understand why?
Yeah.
Because I wanna take my entry on the 1 hour and 2 hours.
Yeah.
So I understand. Okay, this is something. This is interesting, but I don't want to take a trade here because it would take me a long time to wait until the price shoot down here. You got me?
Yes.
So now let's go to the 4 hours to see what's going on. But before we go to the 4 hours, you see my trend line, right? I put the
Yes.
trend line here. Why? Because you can see inside we have a break of structure here. That's why I put that. So I put my trend line. You can see, but when the market came here, what the market did, the market break the trend line and start to going up.
Yeah.
So right now on the daily, the buyer are going up because I know they want to reach the top on the weekly.
Mm.
But they can do all this kind of crazy stuff, come here, shoot up. So this is something I understood too. Okay, you know what? Let me go to the 4 hours to understand. This is a setup for a daily, but nobody wanna take it. To take a trade, I have to wait on the price to come here. This is the potential too, but I don't wanna take a trade on the daily here. I don't have time for that. I don't wanna wait. So let's go to the 4 hours now. What did you see on the 4 hours? What did you see on the 4 hours?
Still looks like I'm trying to ignore
This
everything,
is
but
interesting.
yeah.
Okay,
So goes
let
down.
me let me tell you what happened on the 4 hour.
It's still a
On
downtrend.
the 4 hour, you got it. So this is very confusing because on the weekly is what? Is
Weekly
bearish.
bearish.
On the daily is bullish on the 4 hours. What he did is bearish,
Bearish.
right?
Yeah.
But in my understanding, always the market try to go on the weekly. This is the big boy right there. This is something I understood already.
Yeah.
Excuse me, I
So
have a question.
look at what the market did.
Excuse
Yes,
me. Why do you say it's the 4 hours
yes.
on the four? Why do you say it's bearish on the 4 hours? Because the swing high and the
But
swing low on
you can
uh, on the 4 hours
you
is
can see
actually
yourself.
breaking.
Look. What do you say?
Oh, I'm saying the swing. The okay, the swing high because the 4 hours right now, the 4 hours to me is bullish, but price did not break below that one thirty three
You
zero
see,
two.
this is the problem for you right now. The price is not bullish here. The price is bearish. You
Okay,
what you try to do, you look at on this one and you say the price is bullish. That's why you look and you say the price is bullish.
yes, yes.
The price is not bullish here. It cannot be bullish here because look all
But on
this
the
one.
isn't it making higher
If
highs,
you want to
higher
draw,
highs on the 4 hours?
I will explain to you why.
Okay.
Why? And you understand something. Now, on the 4 hours, do you think here I want to look up to my swing high and swing low too to see if the market on the 4 hour is bullish because you see it's confusing. She say it's bullish, me I say it's bearish
But my
because
reason
look
for
at the
saying
four
it,
hours.
my reason is
Because
for
you
saying
look
it.
at that here,
The
right?
that swing high and that swing low there.
What
Yeah,
do you
that's
see the
high
swing high and swing low?
and that low in the bottom. It didn't break that low.
Here, you talk about here.
No, 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 not there. I'm talking about 133, 633. Where that white line is. Swing high, swing low.
You talk about here, right?
No, 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 lower, lower, lower.
132,
Here,
633.
Yeah, 132, 633. Yeah, that one.
132, 633. Where you have the
The fair value gap.
red line.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right there. Yeah, that swing high
no, no,
and
no,
that swing low.
no, 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 no. It cannot be swim high, swim low. It cannot on the 4 hours
Okay.
because look, the 4 hours coming in bearish. It coming in bearish, but from here he didn't break a structure here. So
So
what he
that's
tried
why
to
I'm
do,
it's
he tried to
that's why I say it's
reverse.
bullish because it didn't break structures. If we make a lower low, then it
He
will
cannot be
be.
bullish. That look from now. We try to understand on the 4 hour what's going on the 4 hour. So the 4 hour is bearish. Okay,
Mm.
now it's bearish. Now I want to see if we have a shift of structure inside the 4 hours because
But
I can see
I thought we did. We had a shift of structure when price break
we did.
130,
What you got
1702.
it. You did. You know why we did? Because you see, I put my line here, and we talked about that yesterday. That's why you know we talked about it yesterday about that. That's why you know
Oh, oh,
it
no, no, not
did.
that one. Not that
Because if you see here,
lower. Bring it
you
lower.
can
Not
see
that's not the one I'm talking about. Bring it lower. Bring this one lower.
what
When yeah,
lower here.
yeah, that you see that 4 hours, he breaks structure there on that 4 hours. Like there's a market structure
No,
sheet
no, no, no,
right
no, no,
there. When price break that
no, 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 no,
132.00.
no, no. Look, if I want to draw my swing high on the 4 hours, that's why I will draw my swing high on the 4 hours. My swing high, right? And what I will do, I will draw my swing low like this on the 4 hour.
What will your swing high be again?
That's why I will draw my swing high. What do you say?
I see the swing low. Where's the swing high?
On the 4 hour. You ask me why.
Yeah, yeah. So you because to me, price did not break this thing. So to me, it seemed like it's a option because when you put the line at 132.01, price didn't break that 132.01 to make it to continue the trend bearish. To me, price change structure, it make a MSS market structure shift when price break that 132.00 area.
Okay. Okay. Let's go again. Okay. I have a question for you. If the market doing this,
Bearish.
what do you think? The market is what? Is doing what?
The market still bearish because it did not break that swing.
What the market is
That's
doing?
it's retracing, we're still
Okay.
bearish.
Now tell me here. Now, now tell me here on the 4 hours. Where is the swing high? Is the swing low on the 4 hours?
To me, swing high will be 130.00, and then swing low will be 130.00. Swing high will be 134. That swing high there, bro, whatever.
134. When you said
I
134
mean
is 134
134.00. That
47.
that week there, that week there.
Here, here, here.
Yeah, that one, that week. Yeah.
No, you can't use that.
To me, that's the swing high.
You cannot use you cannot
Caesar.
use that because look, the market. Look, the market. Look, the market is here. Look, we on the 4 hours. Okay, this is the break of structure here is the daily. Okay, we on the 4 hours. What? Look at what the market did on the 4 hours. This is the break of structure of the 4 hours.
Yeah,
Okay,
a break,
this is
a
the break
break,
of structure of the 4 hours.
and then it go
Okay,
down, it
now
break
when it
again.
break here,
But
okay,
it didn't break.
from
It didn't make no
look,
lower low.
look my either make but look either make lower this you cannot consider this one like a lower, but you can consider this one to your supply because from here what the big board did, the press hard the button.
Mm, okay.
Did you guide me? That's why
Yeah,
I
yeah.
told you
I
I
hear.
explained to you about supply, how to find your supply. The supply and demand is where the price, gas is like the bullet. I got shot very, very like strong. So look at the difference in here and look at the difference in here. Did you see here and here we have a difference, right? Here you can see like the seller push the button, the big board push the button very high.
Yeah, whenever you have
So
two
that's
two
mean we
nice
have
candle and break a structure.
that's mean we have a big demand here. You got it, and you
Mm-hmm.
break the structure, this structure.
Mm-hmm.
Do you understand that?
Yeah.
So if I want to use on the 4 hours my high and my low, I will not use this one. This is not my high. This one is my high. I would not use this one like my high. I will use this one like my high.
Why wouldn't you use the lower one as your high?
Okay,
Because that's when
but
they do
but
the
look what the price did. Look. look, look here. What do you think this one is?
That's the swing high.
So you can tell. Okay, you can tell me this one is a swim high too.
Mm,
Can you tell me if this one is a swim high or is this
no,
one is a swim high? Tell
the
me that.
the this one, the upper one is
Why
the
is it
swing
swim
high.
high?
It
That
did
this
break.
that's why you told me here. It's the same thing here. It's the same thing here.
Mm,
So I cannot use this one like my swim high. It's not possible.
okay.
I don't know if you catch me. If you don't catch me, just let me know. Did you understand that?
No, yes, I hear you, but I still don't understand why. I don't. I mean, you say it, but my brain hasn't.
Okay, okay. Look, why you told me here is let me
Swing
let me
high.
change the color. Why you told me here the gray one is the swim high and this is a swim low. But why is not this? Why is not this one? And is this one?
Because it's higher than the other one. This one is higher.
Because what about this? Now, what about this one and this one?
Oh, you done? Okay, okay. All right. Give me one
What about
second,
this
please.
one and this one?
You guys could continue because I have
Yeah.
somebody doing something for me. I have to go
Oh,
fix.
The first swing guy is a significant one because it breaks a low. It creates a low. The
be,
second
be,
one did not do
you got it
anything.
right.
Yeah.
It didn't do what the price did. It just came here, tried to
Yeah.
create liquidity here,
Create a
try
low.
to think people, doesn't make the new people will enter, try to think the price is going hard. But what they did, they push the button, they just press the button very hard to break this one.
Yes. Yes.
Did you catch me, Ahmed?
Yes, I understand. Yeah, I totally agree. Yeah.
So this one, before I was confused too about this one. I was confused.
Mm.
I was
Yeah.
very confused about this one until I find a video. The guy about his course, and he explained to me you cannot use the swim high for you know where the demand is and say it's a swim high. You cannot use this one. It's impossible because if you can see here on the 4 hour, let's draw the 4 hours. You will see. You can see here. If I want to draw here, look, what the price did, the
He
price
broke
broke this
this one.
one, right?
Hmm?
Because you can see here, this is the swim high, this is the swim low. You got me? So the price broke here, all right? So here we can say it on the 4 hours. Look, we can say here on the 4 hours, the price was going up, right? By the
Yeah.
way, look. If it do like this, you will see the price is bearish.
It is bearish.
You can see in your own eyes the price is bearish.
Yeah.
So on the 4 hours, right? On the 4 hours, right?
Yeah.
Let me remove this one. This is let me put the 4 hours so
Yeah. For
I will not be
hours.
confused. This is the 4 hours.
That's the 4 hour daily range.
This is something you got it. So everything you see inside this one, we're still
Yeah.
on the bearish on the 4 hours. If
Yes.
it didn't break this one, we're still
Yes.
on the bearish. Do you
Yeah.
understand that?
Yes, I do.
So that's mean if I want to take a trade here, what I would do, I would do this, right? And look at here. Let me put it here. I'm making this one short because
I
look,
have a question. What is the meaning
I will
of
use this
RMZ?
one like my what?
What is the meaning of RMZ?
Is 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 supply demand remove. The supply and demand got remove. That break. That mean this supply and demand, this supply is not valid anymore.
Oh, that's the meaning of RMZ. Okay.
This mean RNC. That's why I did. That mean remove of a zone. I call this a zone.
Okay. 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 All right. Okay. Thank you.
So if so imagine this one was not there. Imagine all this one was not there, right? Where I put my things, it was not there. What I would do, I will put my what? I will put my let me I will put my supply zone here because we're on the 4 hour, right? I see we have what? We have we have a little bit of what? Favor look up here, right? Are you agree with me?
Okay.
Are you
So
agree
now,
with me?
why are we not using the top of the range as the supply zone for the 4 hour? Yeah.
Why
Why are we
we
not using?
because look, this is the same question you asked me on the other side. What I told you if you guys where to find the demand zone, it's not everywhere we have a demand zone and supply zone. Where to find the demand zone is where the button are put push very hard.
Any inefficiencies? Okay. Fair value gaps. Okay. Okay.
So you have
All
to
right.
have a fair value gap there. So look at this candle how is very big.
It's
This
big.
candle is
Yeah.
very big.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
so this is a supply zone. This is not a supply zone
Okay.
because
It's just high.
it look like they try is choppy,
Yeah.
right? They
The
pushing
price
down,
imbalance.
but they try is choppy. But
Yeah.
if you see here, look at how the price got shoot.
There's like a push.
He push very hard. That means the big boy push the button very hard here. So they make a
Yeah.
lot of money. So I'm
Yeah.
understanding this is a supply zone for me because I know we have the efficiency here. So the price will do whatever you have to do. Because look, if the price is bearish, right? What I would do, I was waiting for here for me to buy.
Yes. For you. Okay. For you to sell, you mean?
For me to sell.
Okay. Yes.
I don't know if you got me.
Yeah, I understand.
So
Yeah.
imagine all this, yeah. Imagine all this price was not there. All this one was not there. And the price was here. And we can see we are bearish. So I find my demand zone here because the price got shoot very hard here. And we have
Yeah.
efficiency here. Favor look up. So I will wait for the price to come here. Look what happened when the price came here. What do you have here? You see the price start to
There's a
do a little
rejection.
bit of consolidation here before he got break.
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
So the price you see the price start to fight here
Yeah. Yeah. Then he broke it.
until he got break. You know why he break it? Remember, the daily tried to go away.
Daily is going up. We are trying to get to that buy
So
side
that's
liquidity.
mean that's mean the 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 buyer are strong because on
Yes.
the weekly they try to reach on the weekly zone and the daily.
Yes.
I can
Hmm.
see they're going over there. So I
Yes.
know they will have a lot of buyer inside this one. This is something I know.
Okay.
So look, when the price came here, I said, you know what? I want to wait to see what the price will do here. I want to wait what the price will do here. When the price came here, look at what the price did.
Consolidated.
They, they consolidate it until they break. So when they break this one, I say, oh, I can see. Look, I can see. This is very, very interesting. The price that broke here. So what I will do, I will remove this one because this one was a zone for me.
Yeah.
Was this one was a zone for me. So what I will do, I will remove this one. So
Hmm.
this one got removed. So that means it's
Okay.
very interesting. Do you understand? It's
Yes.
very interesting. So that means what the buyer tried to do, the buyer tried to, have more strength here and push it because I know over there they try to go where
Higher. Higher.
higher. This is something we know. Now, look, what do you think? What do you think on the 4 hours? Why they try to go? What do you think?
On the 4 hours, we're trying to get to at least the 4 hour swing high. At least.
No, why no remove we will remove this one. I don't wanna see this one on the
Okay.
4 hour. Okay,
You
let me
guys went on it?
okay. Let me remove this one because on the 4 hour, I don't drive my swim high, swim low. I already know it in my mind
Yes.
because I can see it, but I don't want to draw over there. I don't. I draw on the swim high, the swim low because of her. I don't want to see draw it. So I know. Look at here. Here, the strong guy where the bottom was pushed got removed. That mean the buyer are very strong. So why I know because this one I got removed. What happened? I know on the 4 hours what they tried to do.
Why don't you
They
get the
tried to
same
come somewhere
closet
here
like that
to
over
remove
there?
this liquidity
That's
because
what I wanted. I don't think that
and
right
come
there,
and come here and shoot
like a
because on the four
bifold,
hours
they
they
make them
try
stand
to
there,
go
but
to
that
the
right
daily
there
zone.
has more.
Okay. So I
You try to understand?
I agree they are trying to get to the daily zone, right? And I understand that there's liquidity here.
Mm-hmm.
My question is, if you look at where price is right now, we have like a little bit of inefficiency. Why do you think that price cannot just use this small inefficiency here to push price up? Why do we have to come to the fair value gap down here?
Okay, where did you see efficiency here? Show me that.
Okay, all right, I see what you're
Show
talking
me
about.
what did you see. Show
There,
me
there
what
is no,
did you see it.
there is no, but okay, okay, no, there is no inefficiency.
There is
What I
not.
actually meant, what I actually meant was,
And look,
okay, but there's an, oh, I don't want to use order block. I don't want to use the word order block. But does it matter that there's an order block here where price is right now? You know, these two
we
down.
on the 4 hours.
Okay.
I know you talk about this one, right? I, I know you talk about this one, right?
Yeah. If you come to the left hand
Use
side a
this
little
one.
bit, left hand side. You see these two down candles? This no, not that one.
This one.
Under RMZ, under RMZ. You see these two red candles?
Here, this one.
Yeah, under there, under
This one.
these two red candles. Yeah. If you draw a line from there across, that's like an
This
order
one.
block. Yes. Price closing above it is an order block. So I wanted to know why
You
don't
talk about
we?
you
Yes,
talk about this one.
yes, 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 yes. That's an order block.
You talk about this.
Yes, yes, yes.
Why is other block? Why? Why you use that like a other block?
So I may be wrong, but my
Because you
understanding
have to
was
give
that
me a reason.
because price tapped into these red candles came down into this inefficiency a little bit. It tapped the fair value gap, then price shoot up from there. So these green candles that actually broke this red line, these red candles would be considered an order block.
You talk about this one.
Yes, yeah. So where you have that box, this box, the where you drew the box is an order block. I may be wrong, right? But that was what I was
This is
thinking.
this is the other block for you. So that's why you try to tell me the price will come here and try to shoot like this. That's why you try to tell me.
That's, I mean, that's what I would have thought of, if not that. I mean, but now that you're showing me something different, I'm trying to understand why you would not consider this area as a key
I will
level.
not consider this. I will not consider this first. You know why? Because
Yes.
from here to here, I don't see any push harder from the sell and from the buyer. You see
So we
how
need,
the candle hesitate to go up?
okay.
You see?
Yeah.
I told you when the price are being shot, that means they put a lot of money right there. That means they have a
Yeah.
lot of demand here.
Hmm. Okay. So, question. I'm sorry. What if this area had only
Mhm.
one big candle that just went up? Would you consider it
I will not consider it. You
still?
talk you talk about this one.
No. See, you see these green candles, one, two, three, four, five. On this, where we have this box, right?
This one.
Yeah. No, not that one. The lower candles, all this one, two, three, four, five. If it was just one big candle that did
You know,
this
one,
one, yeah, yeah, yeah.
this
If
is
it was,
this is on the daily. This is on
yes,
the daily.
mm,
Look, okay, on the daily, look this candle and look this candle. Look, this candle. Look this
yeah.
candle and look this candle. Tell me between this one and this one, who is more stronger?
The one lower,
The first
the
one
lower
is
one.
more stronger.
Yeah, of course. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. So we look for the stronger
Now,
candle.
if you want to do, if do you understand this one?
Yeah, I understand now. I
This one
understand.
is this one is the most stronger. That's mean why the price are being pushed very hard is here. This mean from here, a lot of seller, a lot of buyer
Bias.
came here and pushing very hard.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
So when I saw this on the daily, I said, I know what? Let me go to see what's going on over there on the 4 hours. So when I went to the 4 hour, I see something like this. I was thinking, it's possible I can use this one, right? Because this one is here, right? But you know what? Because I don't see any big candle here. I see a lot of hesitation here. That's true,
Yes.
the push, but I see a lot of like small candle, like that's mean they try to fight with these
Yes.
people here.
Yes.
So I'm not comfortable to take it. I'm not comfortable to take a trade over there.
Okay.
But from here, I can see we have a big push. I'm comfortable to take a trade here, but here I'm not comfortable to take a trade.
Gotcha. Okay. Making sense now. Yes. Yes.
For me, I'm not comfortable to take a trade because I always know when the market has shoot, that's mean this one when we have a fair value gap, that's mean the price might be came here, hit here, and go back.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. This makes sense now. Yeah, and I always remember this. Always look for where There was like the big
So
push.
that's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for this. This is a lot of hesitation. Here is a
Yeah.
lot of hesitation. I know
Yes.
we on the bullish market right now here. But this one I don't want, I'm not comfortable to put my so I will use like a
Right.
liquidity.
Yes.
That's what I will do.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And I will wait for the price. If the price, we don't control the market can come here, like you said, and push. It can do that too. But for me, I'm not comfortable to take a trade over there
Yeah.
because from here, we have a lot of money sitting here. This is money right
Yeah.
there.
Yes.
So they can push one here, hit this one, and keep pushing. So if you want to take your trade, what you will do, you place your trade like this, right? And do this, right? That's what you will do.
But the liquidity there is too much. There's too much inefficiency there. So yeah.
You see,
Yeah.
you got it, right? So that's
Yes,
what
I
you will do. And they already know that. The big boy already know that.
yeah.
So what they will do, they will just try to play with you here. They will play
Yeah.
with you here. They will, you know what? After this, remember we did analysis on your with you on Euro card
Eurocard.
something like this.
Yeah, Eurocard. Yeah.
Yo,
Eurocard.
after that you will share your screen. Euro card, you will share your screen and you will see what I was talking about. Okay, so now look, I understood the price going to the weekly, the
Yeah.
daily. I know everything's bearish,
Yeah.
but the daily go to the weekly, right? And
Yeah.
maybe shut down, right? So what I want to do, I will come to the 4 hours and see this one I got to remove. This is interesting because that means the buyer are strong. I don't see any more seller here because
Yes.
this big. Imagine if it this if it this guy I got shut down. Do you think this guy will resist?
Nope. Nope.
This guy will
Nope.
not resist.
No, it can't.
He will not resist. So from here you can see the break of structure already. You know, we didn't have yet the break of structure on the because this one have to break first, right? But you know what they will do? They will like play a run here. This one you will see when the price will came here, they will play with a lot of people.
Hmm.
They will play with a lot of people. When the price came here, it will be a lot of like jump,
That's
jump,
enough.
jump, jump here.
Okay.
It makes sense. It makes
Yes,
so
it does.
sense. Look, here I can see the price got broke from my trend line. And I say, okay, here is a big supply zone for me here. So
I can't see
because
your
I
mouse.
see this
Okay. Okay.
price,
Okay.
this one got pushed very hard. So I will expect the price to come here and push down. But when the price came here, look, it's it's still here for longer. So I say, you know
Yeah.
what? I will not do that. I don't want to do that. So let me wait what happened. The price broke from here. So this supply zone, this supply zone got removed.
Invalidated. Yes.
Okay,
So
this supply zone got we are invalidated. So I'm understand this. I know these people are very strong. So what I will do, I will just see here to see if I can find a supply zone here on the buyer zone. But from here, I can see we have a big supply zone here. So the price
demand
came
zone.
here. Look, look what the price
Demand.
did. The
Demand
price
zone.
stayed up.
Okay.
Okay, demand zone. But look at what the price did. He stayed up. Look,
Yeah.
up
Yes.
on top of the, why the price stay on top of here? Because they want to create liquidity,
Mm, mm, mm. Yeah.
we
Yeah.
have efficiency here, and the price got pushed here. And what they did, they stay here. From here they push a little bit high, and when they break this one, what they try to do, they try to come back a little bit, play with people here, you know, pushing here, shut here. So I'm expect here the price to be pushed again more, to go up.
Mm. So last week, why did you buy? You, but I know you bought. Was it GBP you bought or Euro last week?
No,
I
no,
think it
no,
was.
Euro USD.
Okay, okay, never mind then. Never mind. Never mind. Yeah. Listen, I don't want to confuse myself. Okay, okay, that makes sense. I agree with what you just did. Thank you so much. Yeah, that makes sense now. Wow, this
You see,
requires a lot more
do
time.
you know something? Do you know something happened here too? You see the break structure here. When the break structure here on the, this
Yeah.
was the daily zone. When the broke church on the daily zone, look what they did. Look at what they did. They tried to trick people. The market was going down. Look at what they did. I know that was a trick. Look what happened. I have
Mm,
two zones. I say, okay, maybe the price will come here. Before I was here. I was waiting for here. That's why I was waiting for.
yeah, the fair value gap.
That's what I was waiting for. And look what happened. We have what? We have a figure. Look up here. Here, this is the 2 hour zone. I say, let me go to the 2 hour zone to see if I can find inside this one. Look, I use this one. I use this one. And look what the price did. When the price came here, look what he did.
Mm,
You see this candle here?
yes.
This candle went so fast. I was live.
Mm,
This candle went so fast. Like, boom. I say, that's mean these people are here.
okay.
Because look what they did. They took this one. He said this is on the 4 hour. Look what they did. They took the 2 hours. They took this one on the 2 hours.
Yes.
I was here. I said, you know what? This can be a liquidity here. Let me go on the 2 hours to see. You see, when I came here, you see this candle.
Yeah.
The seller tried to enter. So when the seller tried to enter, this they left a liquidity here.
Mm,
So look at what they did. They came and they took this one. They try
yeah.
to act like they're going down, they're going up.
They're going up.
When they came here, they took this one too.
Yeah.
So now, when the price came here, look at the reaction of this candle.
Yeah.
So I say, you know what? Let me enter here to see. So I
Mm,
enter here, and I say, you know what? Let me push, because I know they can come again, take this liquidity. If you see, look what they did. They took
they
this one
swept it
too.
a little bit. Yeah.
They swept it. And also, because I use the EMOC sometimes like a confidence. Okay.
Okay.
I use my EMA like a confidence sometime on this area too.
Okay.
So when I saw the EMA was, at that time going like this, I know it. This one was the right place to go. And I send her everything,
Mm.
but she moved a stop loss. Yeah, she moved a stop loss. So she got hit. So
Oh,
now
God. Hmm.
you see what they try to do? They try to
Yeah.
create more liquidity because they need more money.
Yeah.
So when they came, they sweep this one, and look what they did.
Mm-hmm. Yup.
So if you look at that Euro USD, Euro DDP USD, look, it look like the same thing,
Mm.
you know. So I will wait for the price to come here. As soon as the
Yeah.
price
What
came
happened
here,
on
I
Euro
will see
last
the
week
reaction.
is what you're waiting for to happen on GPP this week. What happened on Euro last
You
week
see
is what you're
why?
waiting. Yeah, yeah, I see. Now it makes sense.
It makes sense, right?
Yeah, it does.
So I'm waiting for this. I'm not moving. I'm stay here and waiting. If the price came here, praise. If the price start to shoot up, I will looking for another one. Until so I will buy until the price come to the daily. Look at the daily. How look at the daily.
Yeah,
We still have more. We still have more to go to the daily. And the
yeah,
4 hour try to match to the daily. So the daily can go to the weekly, and from there they can make a decision to break it
yeah.
or shoot it down.
I'll shoot it up. Mm, thank you very much. This was really helpful.
So we have to do a lot of work here. We have to, because it was a little bit confusing, on the
Yeah.
weekly, daily, you know. And if you don't know your proper structure, you know,
Mm,
it will be very hard to get it.
yeah.
It'll be very, very hard to get it. That's
It is.
why uh, uh, always we say look to overall. What did you see on the 4 hours? What did you see on the daily? What did you see? Try to understand. Is it
Mm,
art? Try to understand what's going on. I want to understand why the price is going on. What they try to do. Why they I understand. They try to do. Why now they try to go to the daily? So they maybe break this one on the, you know. That's why I put my area here. You see this line? I put this line too.
yeah.
I put this line too because the price can come here and shoot. Oh yeah,
Right.
the price can do that. They can do that and shoot. If you see where I put my stop loss, you will understand why I put this one. Look at my stop loss. It's under this.
Yeah.
So they have time to play all this kind of thing they want to do here.
Mm, makes sense. Can you click on Euro USD real quick? I just want to see something. I want to see your charts. Okay. So wait.
You see, right?
Similar. Okay.
Now here, I'm still working on this one because I know, Euro USD is weak right now, you know, because of
Yeah.
the shutdown, because of the all these things. So right now, we use the opportunity to buy on Euro USD and GDP.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you have to know, you have to understand, you know. So I try to find something here. You see, when I go to the 4 hour, you see, I can see a liquidity here, right? You can
Yeah.
see a little bit of favor look up here. But at the
Yeah.
same time, I'm thinking about here.
Yes. That's what I'm thinking too. Okay.
I'm thinking about here. So you see, now you start to understand. You start to comprehend.
Mm,
You start to, make everything together, to twist it, to try to understand. Okay, if the price maybe come here, they will try to create more liquidity here. Maybe because you have an efficiency here, so they can use this one like a liquidity too. So they can come and swap this one. They can do that
Mm, I see.
and shoot.
I see. Yeah.
They can do that too. So I'm working here to see where I can really put my stop loss,
Stop
and at
loss.
the same time look out to the EMA. Look out to the EMA. You see the EMA. What the EMA doing?
It's going up.
So by the time the price came here, EMA will be somewhere here.
Okay.
You see?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm in the meeting position. Okay. Okay. You understand, right? So I'm working on this one. I was working on this one today, but it's I don't really like the yeah. But this one look very interested. Okay,
Mm.
this one very interested, and
But we still have to wait
let me
for
see
the
if I
power
have
candle to
something
come
here.
there and see what the reaction is.
Yes, you see this one too. I have to wait. So why now? This is my I have this one, and I think I have you card too. Your The last time you guys gave me the Euro card. So this
Eurocard,
look
yeah.
interested too. Euro card. Let me see. Is it this one? I don't know. Yes, this one. Remember we talked about this one, right?
Yes, we did.
Remember, right?
Yes, we did. Yes, we did. We
So
talked about.
Monday and Sunday, what they can do, they can play like this. I'm here from here and shoot down to
Hmm.
break this one. Because
It's actually
look,
the same thing. It's actually the same thing as what we are looking at on Euro USD. Because for Euro USD, you want price to come down, then we shoot up. This is the same move. This is the down move for that up move that we're looking at on Euro USD.
you see, right?
Yeah. Wow. This is making more sense now.
So look, the price can come here, right? It makes sense, right? And look here, the price can come here
Yes.
or came more here. Remember we talked about it. They can
Yes.
come more somewhere here, and from here shoot.
Yes.
So if you come on the euro, it make look. So the price can shoot
Yes.
and shoot down. But this one look more interesting. This one look more interesting because your euro your USD is weak, so we can take advantage of that.
Yeah.
Right? Can take advantage of that. This one is very interesting. So what I will do, I will wait. You know, look
Hmm.
for this. Okay, you can fancy the EMA. The EMA
Yeah.
is around here. You see,
Yeah.
this is more confusing for me. This is more confusing. So it doesn't mean when the price came here, you just buy. No, no, you have to see the reaction of the
Reaction.
candle, what they try
Yeah.
to do, if it making sense. You know, if they came here and hit this one and do like this and start to play here, does mean
Near liquidity.
they try to push like this and shoot up.
Yeah.
Yes, because don't forget the big boy. You look for liquidity to move the market, and you are, and I am the liquidity too.
Yeah.
So
We have to be on their side.
yeah,
Wow. Thank
yeah,
you
we have
very
to
much.
be on this side.
I'd have to continue. I have to go back and
I know you guys.
repeat this.
I know you guys cannot catch everything today. I know, like,
Mm,
but you know, you understand. Overall, each time we connect together,
yeah.
and you guys
And
used to do, you guys used to do, you used to do a day trade. You know,
yes.
this is
Believe me,
something too. You guys used to do.
everything, it all connects. This is what you're doing is a
You see
bigger
why?
picture. If I
It's a
understand
bigger
this,
picture. You see,
I can day trade because now I know where I'm going to.
you
You
got it.
understand? Like right now, if I want to
You
day
got
trade,
it.
I know how to sell from here all the way down. But I need to know where to stop selling. You understand what I'm
You
so
got it.
it's this is still the same picture. This is a bigger picture, which is really what I
You
need.
see. You see.
Yeah.
You see. So you can, try to practice. So next week, I'll wait for the price, to come here. This will be my setup for the next week. Try to see what the
Okay.
price will do here. All right. You can start to do in Sunday. Sunday, the price will come and do whatever they want to do. Like try to calm down. Like Monday, I know, and also Monday we have a lot. We have wait. We have a lot of we have a
News.
lot of
We have news.
news on the Euro
We have
USD
no Monday. We have card news.
on
Card.
Monday.
We have card. Yes.
Okay, on Tuesday we have a lot of news on
Oh,
Tuesday.
Tuesday is too much. It's too much. It's just
It's
too
too
much.
much. So I'm thinking too, maybe to not trade.
So Tuesday might
I
help
have a
us
good.
drive fast down here.
You see, I have a good setup. I can see a good setup, but at the same time, we have a lot of news here. So it
Okay.
will make sense for me on this week or wait for Tuesday to see what's going on.
Okay.
Because we can put the trade. Maybe if the price came here, the price we can do a very good things here and we can enter and the news will push out. So
Yeah.
remember, the news can slap all this one and pushing up.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So we don't know the news. We don't know. This be because this beast boy, they know everything about the news, but we don't know.
Yeah. We don't know what they're about to do.
So yeah. So we have to careful about the news on this week.
Wow.
We have a lot of news on this week. And
Yes, we do.
also remember in December, that's why they create a lot of like they play with emotion, the emotion of people because we're in December. So
Yeah.
on December, they play a lot, you know.
Okay.
So in December, I said like this was my last choice on December for last week,
Yeah.
right? That's why I said I wanna wait on January to see what's going on and start to
Yeah.
take a trade. Yeah,
Mm,
because in December you have a lot of a lot of emotion trade, a lot,
yeah.
a lot. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you very much. This is
Okay.
helpful. Now I have to be
Yeah.
patient.
What do you say?
I said now I have to stay patient.
Yeah, you have to say patient. It's not every day you have to trade. That's what I'm saying. It's not
Yeah.
every day. Actually, when you don't trade every day, you protect your capital, and
Yeah.
you know you protect yourself, you know, and you protect your I don't know everything. So one
Absolutely.
trade, one trade. two trade on the week, I'm done. If it my first trade hit TP, I'm out. I'm
That's
down.
it.
If he my first trade hit my SL, I was looking for another setup
Yeah.
to see if he can find something make sense. If it doesn't make sense, I don't
You let
take the
it go.
trade. Waiting for next week. Nope. Okay.
Thank you very
So
much.
maybe
Thank
tomorrow we
you.
can. Oh,
She was
she's
there.
here.
She was fine on us.
I know. I know. I know she's a little bit confused. I know she's a
Oh
little
no,
bit confused.
I'm sorry because I had people that I have to pay because I'm doing my bathroom, so they came to put the shower door for me, so I had to pay them, and I had to be at the in the room. So I'm sorry, couldn't be. I couldn't give my
No,
100%.
no, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
I
I
do
see. But
appreciate you taking your Saturday with your kids, to be with
Yeah.
us. We really
Yeah.
appreciate it.
I
I
know.
really do appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I almost. I don't know how to say it, but I I always on the chat. Always on the chat. My kid
Mm.
is there. My wife is there. I'm always here. With my son. This is my son. My son. This is his place right there. We come together and we try to, you know,
That's your daughter, right?
because I'm teaching him to trade too.
Oh, that's your son.
Please,
Okay.
yes, that's my daughter.
That's what I
No, this
see.
is
I,
my
I, I
daughter.
know. I'm looking. She looked like a girl when you said son.
No, no,
No,
I
sounds
say
girl.
son because usually he's the one sit here to trade with me.
Okay. How
Ah,
old is your son?
she's daddy little girl.
So, yeah, today
She has a lot
his
of money
birthday was a
too.
Friday. His birthday was Friday. Oh, yesterday. And no, it was Friday, Patricia.
Yesterday's Friday.
Hey, you got it. You got it.
Don't
So
worry,
I told
daddy's
him.
getting younger.
So I told him. I told him if you want to do a party birthday with your friend, I will do the party. But another option, I will use the money to do the party to give to you, so you can put it in your trading account and we can trade together to make it grow. So he
So,
choose to get the money.
Smart girl, smart
No,
girl.
no, no, no.
no,
It's not her.
the
It's
boy.
my boy.
Oh, your boy.
How old
Yeah,
is the boy?
JC. JC. Oh, he's in shower. He's taking shower. He had basketball at four. At
Oh,
four forty-five.
how old is he?
He's 11. At 4:30.
Wow, and he's already learning how to trade. Wow.
Yeah, yeah. He have to do it. He don't have choice.
Amen.
So I give him $100. I say, okay, this is so he came today. He said, okay, daddy, take the $100, put on the broker so we can start to grow the money. I said, this is very smart.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right?
that's my son right there.
Yeah. I say, okay, that's cool. That's cool. So every Saturday, I'm here with him. I'm here
Okay,
with
okay.
him, train him, training
Yeah.
The
him.
chart.
Yeah, the chat. He have to make money. He don't have choice.
Yeah, and he's gonna get it faster because he's
He's
young.
gonna get, yeah, because
He
those
has the
kids
energy,
when
and he has a lot of time because this is the time. The time for PlayStation is what he's spending on the chart.
You see
He's
why?
gonna get it very quickly.
You see why?
Yeah.
So do you guys trade? You guys trade Bitcoin?
Mm,
yeah, we
I
should get
mean,
anything. You see a nice setup
I
on Bitcoin right now
you
for
guys trade?
yourself?
I don't. I only take trades on. I mean, if I see something, I can take
I,
it if it makes sense to me.
I know Ivan take trade everywhere.
That's
Yeah.
why. No, I'm
Ivan
stopped now.
wanna
Stop
make
now.
money. Oh, you stop now?
Yeah, you just told me. I'm
Oh,
gonna follow Pound USD, USDN, JP, GBP, JPY, USD. What do you see on Bitcoin
yeah.
right now? Sell?
It's still a
Bitcoin right
sell.
now is sell, but I don't like that because I don't
It's
like it's
consolidating
too
right
it's
now,
too like yeah, it's
sideways.
too yeah, it's consolidating right now. and you can see the EMA. You can see the EMA, right? Hold it right
Yeah.
now. So it might be go down. It might be go down because that's what he doing here. It been go down for. If I go to the weekly,
So
so
the weekly is an uptrend.
The weekly is
if
still
I go to the
uptrend.
week, yeah, it's the uptrend.
The weekly is still
The weekly
uptrend.
is an uptrend, so you can see, right?
Yeah.
You can see, right? You have a breakup structure here. So if I want to do my swim, it will be this one, and it will be what? It will be this one,
Swing low. So, but now once price
right?
close
It will not be
below
this one.
that, then
It will not.
it's
It will not be this one,
no.
huh?
No, it will not be this one. It'll be the way you put it. But if price close below that
Because
swing low, that's when we change character
No,
on
no,
the
no.
weekly, right?
Can I ask a question? Question, please. On this
yes,
BTC, based on what you explained on Euro and GBP, right now price is not shooting up from this from this fair value gap. So I'm thinking it's going to use this low as liquidity. Come to this, there's a new de- um, demand zone below here around this. No, no, no. If you come down a little bit, so this low that you built, that's
no,
going to
we on weekly. Oh la la, no,
yeah. We are weekly, yeah. True, true, true.
guys, we on
Sorry.
weekly. Be
Yeah, we
careful,
are
we
weekly.
on weekly. We know the
Oh,
4 hours.
okay, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
the
So
weekly
don't try to
you
do
do the
what you do.
trend. The
I
trend.
forgot. I thought I was looking at the 4 hour.
The weekly you look
We
at.
on
But
weekly.
my question,
It's strange.
the once
Uh-huh.
price close below that the swing low, that's when we have a change of character on the weekly, right?
That would be
Yes,
bad.
if it the price, we have to go away. Come on. If it the price come here and shoot here, so we
Okay,
have a change of
now,
character
No,
okay,
no.
on the
all
I
right.
don't
weekly.
want that. A lot of people are going to die if that
You
happens.
got.
People are going to die.
So if it the price came here and shoot like this, we still on uptrend.
Uptrend.
Option.
You see?
Yeah,
So if the price broke this one, because this is the swing low, this is the swing high. So you can you can find something here until the price maybe come here. We don't know. The price can stop here and just start to shoot up, right?
yeah,
Because I can see here the fair value gap get removed. I can see, so if I have to do that here, I will do like this, right? But look what happened. It's try to have a little bit of consideration here. You can see, right?
yeah.
This I can use
You
this one
drop
like
it.
my
So.
liquidity,
That's liquidity right there.
right? Yep. So now when the
But
price
but
came here, you see
but
why
if
it's trying.
price drop, if I
You
drop,
see
it's
why you
gonna
trying to
drop.
do?
Yvonne,
Hmm.
I
What do you
if
say?
don't pray for price. A lot of people are going to die. Don't pray for price to drop.
No, I'm not. I mean, I'm not praying, but I will be able
I
to buy
mean,
one Bitcoin.
Oh man, people are going to
okay,
die.
guys.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Saint. Thanks for your time. Appreciate it.
Hey, my phone. Guys, huh? Okay, good taking shower. This is my wife, guys.
Hi, wife.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
I'm fine. How are
Nice to
you?
meet you.
I'm doing good.
Nice to
Nice
meet
to
you.
meet you.
Oh,
Your
nice to
husband
meet
is
you
doing a
too.
good
This
job.
is
He's trying to help us.
Oh, praise to God. Praise to God.
Thank you so
Amen.
much.
You're
Thank you so
very
much. Nice to
welcome.
meet you guys. Yeah.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Okay.
so we will keep doing that, okay? We have to, like I said, the most important thing is to we know your swim high and swim low to
Yeah.
understand
And the
where you
direction.
guys at. Yes, and the direction of the market. So
Okay.
sometimes we are confused. You have today Ivan was confused about
The
about
four
swim high and
hours.
swim
Power
low.
range.
on the 4 hours, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So, but Ahmed understand. You understand a little bit what I'm trying to say, all
We,
right? So
we
he
have to
can.
make that money. There's a lot of charity work we need to do. So
A lot.
a lot of charity work. I want you guys to go to Haiti. I want to go to Cote d'Ivoire, Nigeria. I wanna work for the Lord. So I need that
Amen.
money.
Amen. That's right.
Yes.
Amen.
Now you see on the weekly what the EMA doing, right? The EMA working to come here, all right,
We can't see your screen.
to make the coffee. Oh, I cannot see my screen. All right.
Oh yeah,
You
we
see
see
here,
it
right?
now.
You can see the
Yes.
EMA, right?
Yes.
I use that sometimes like a confiance too, right?
Uh
Sometimes I use the EMA like a confiance,
to know that the
right?
trend too.
So
Yeah, confidence side of the trend.
yeah, yeah, I use that
Okay.
here too. If you see
Okay,
here,
okay.
that if you see here, you see where the EMA is right now.
Is
Yes.
that a 200? Is that the 200 moving average?
200.
Yes, that's
200.
the 200 because I'm a swim trader, so I use the 200.
Okay, okay,
I use the 200. I don't use the
okay.
50. Okay. Okay,
All
guys.
right, thank you.
All
Enjoy the
right.
game because I used to be a basketball mom too, so I know. I usually get
Oh,
excited
you know
about the
it's not.
game.
Yes, we going now. I'm ready.
Yeah, enjoy.
All right.
Thank
All
you
right,
so
thank you
much.
so
Okay.
much. Have
See
a
you
Thank
guys.
you very much.
beautiful
Bless you
weekend.
guys. Thank you. You too. Appreciate
All
it.
right, bye bye.